Reason 1. The distances are not just vast. They feel alive. Space is empty, but its emptiness is not passive. When we look into the void seems to stare back. The nearest star lies 4 light-years away, yet the journey feels like crossing a forbidden boundary, a threshold that no living thing was meant to cross. Every meter beyond the heliosphere feels like stepping deeper into something ancient, something patient. The distances are not merely physical barriers, they are walls of silence, like a prison built long before Earth even formed. And for now, the doors remain locked. Reason 2. Our technology fails where the darkness begins. Our rockets burn, roar, and die. But beyond a certain point, their flames feel meaningless, swallowed instantly by a cold that seems eternal. The deeper probes travel, the more their signals fade, as if something in the dark is listening, slowly smothering their voices. Voyager drifts alone, and sometimes its faint transmissions contain anomalies, whispers of static, patterns that do not match anything known. It's almost as if the void answers back, and maybe it doesn't like intruders. Reason 3. Beyond the sun's protection lies a hostile realm. Outside the heliosphere, the sun's warm shield disappears, and with it, the last barrier between life and the universe's true nature. Cosmic radiation there doesn't just kill, it corrupts, mutates, and disassembles matter on the smallest scales. Some scientists describe this region as a cosmic graveyard, a place where particles born from ancient supernovas roam freely, searching for anything warm, anything alive to tear apart. When our machines cross that border, they weaken, they break, they change. If a human tried to cross it, they would not return as human. Reason 4. Time itself becomes a predator. A journey beyond the solar system would last centuries. But in the cosmic dark, time does not behave as we know it. Loneliness becomes a presence, silence becomes a voice. Generations born on a starship would never see a sunrise. They would stare into endless black corridors where shadows move without light, where the hum of the engines starts to sound like breathing. Isolation is not just a psychological effect. It becomes an entity, a pressure, a whisper in the mind that grows stronger with each passing year. Humanity is fragile, and the void knows it. Reason 5. The unknown things that wait outside. We pretend to understand the universe, but our maps end at the solar system's edge. Beyond that, there are shapes detected by deep-range sensors that don't match any known celestial objects. There are gravitational anomalies with no visible source. There are regions where radio waves simply disappear, as if devoured. Some astrophysicists quietly theorize that something vast, larger than planets, older than stars, may drift between systems unseen and ancient. And perhaps the most terrifying thought of all, maybe we're still alive because we haven't left. Maybe the dark beyond our solar system is not empty space. Maybe it's territory, and we are the prey who still haven't stepped outside the cage.